A cabin filter and a Toyota 4Runner today. This applies to 2010 all the way to 2024. All right, so here's our new aftermarket filter. Okay, this is actually an upgrade from the factory. If we look at it, it has all these little black marks. This is actually activated charcoal in this filter, so that's going to help with odors. Okay, so it's going to be located in the glove box. First thing we're going to do is remove this cover here. Basically push down on these tabs and this will open right up. Then we're going to take out this door here, push the tab in, pull towards us, both sides. Alright, so if we look, this filter actually is installed incorrectly. It says airflow up. This is incorrect. The airflow is actually going to be down. Okay, the way you can tell is that if you have the trash on the top, it means the airflow is going down. Alright. So we have arrows on this one here. This is the airflow direction. This filter, if you want to get one of these filters, or these upgraded filters, check the description box below. I have a link, takes you to Amazon where you can get one. But yeah, make sure you do it with the arrows facing down. Put it in there like that. It's super duper easy. Save yourself some money. Get the lid, snap it on there. The cover just goes on and you're all done. Well, I hope the video was helpful. If it was, appreciate it if you hit that like button for me and leave me a comment if you could, and hope to see you again in another Toyota video.